I'm sitting here with Rudy and
Bailey.
Bailey. Hi, Bailey.
This is International Assistance Dog Week.
Tell me some of the things that Bailey does for you.
Well, Bailey is basically my hands. She picks things up that I drop. She opens or closes drawers and opens and closes doors. I have a lifeline that connects me to the police, fire, medical that she can hit with her nose and call them.
How long have you had Bailey?
I've had Bailey since 2016, but she is my second service dog. When my case manager and my mother approached me about getting a service dog, I didn't like the idea because I thought that service dogs had to work all the time. And so when I got Chevy, my mom stopped worrying because she realized what Chevy could do. And Chevy had the same function, but Chevy, unlike Bailey, saved my life. My charger for my chair blew up and caught on fire about 2 o'clock in the morning. And Chevy alerted me by jumping off the bed and body slamming me until I woke up. Then once I knew that we were in trouble, she sat, because my lifeline, the unit was right next to my bed. So she sat right next to my bed, looked at me, looked at the unit, like, tell me to press it. So I gave her the command and she called the fire department. Saving not only my life, but probably the entire building. These dogs aren't fashion statements. They aren't something that you can carry around in a purse. They are the dogs that wear these vests and bandanas are important. They save lives. They they help improve the daily function of people with disabilities. We're with each other 100% of the time. And our bond is so strong that we can read each other. We know what each other's thinking, and feeling, So it's not something to take lightly. She's got to trust me that I'm gonna look out for her, and then I gotta trust her that she's gonna look out for me. We're one unit. To those that have service dogs, it's an important function in our lives. These dogs that wear these vests are basically giving up their lives to serve their handlers.